How's your day going so far? I'm Evgen, a technician at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, Canada. It was time to repair Electrolux appliances. The company received a service call to repair an Electrolux dryer in the such tuxedo area of Winnipeg. Description: the Electrolux dryer makes a noise. Diagnostics: when I turn on the dryer, I hear a noise. One of the rollers or tensioner is worn out and needs to be replaced. I unplugged the dryer, removed the top and front covers, disconnected the wires from the body and took out the drum. Having access to all moving parts of the dryer, I inspect all four rollers, the tensioner, the motor and the drum. At first glance, I did not find any particularly worn-out parts, but I decided to replace the belt tensioner because the roller makes a slight noise when rotating without a load, and there is a possibility that is the problem. Repair. I remove the old tensioner and install a new one. I clean the dryer of lint accumulation. I also check the air duct and clean it. I assemble the dryer and test it by connecting it to the power supply. Success! The Electrolux dryer works in all modes without extraneous noise and is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have any questions about repairing your Electrolux dryer or any other appliances, leave a comment, and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.